Welcome to Million Dollar Mansions, your gateway to exploring the world's most exquisite luxury estates. Today, we invite you to experience a breathtaking American luxury home designed in a timeless white and navy blue color palette. This residence perfectly combines classic elegance with modern sophistication, offering a lifestyle of unparalleled comfort and style. From the moment you approach this magnificent estate, the grandeur is unmistakable. The exterior boasts pristine white walls accentuated with rich navy blue trims that highlight the architectural details. Majestic double-story columns frame the expansive porches, featuring blue-trimmed railings that invite you to relax and take in the manicured surroundings. The aerial drone view reveals the full scope of this property: lush green lawns dotted with carefully arranged white and blue flowering plants, a shimmering swimming pool adorned with deep blue mosaic tiles, and a stylish white pergola draped in flowing curtains. A modern sky bridge connects two wings of the home, featuring glass railings and subtle ambient lighting that enhance its contemporary appeal. Stepping closer to the main entrance, a set of grand double doors commands attention. Painted in a glossy navy blue finish, the doors are enriched with intricate white molding and elegant gold hardware. Flanked by towering white marble pillars, the doorway exudes an air of timeless sophistication. Soft light from ornate lantern-style sconces warmly welcomes visitors, while the polished stone porch floor gleams beneath the gentle sunlight. As daylight fades, the home's beauty is transformed by thoughtful lighting design. Warm golden exterior lights wash over the white walls, while blue LED accents highlight the navy trims and architectural features. The swimming pool reflects these shimmering lights, creating a serene nighttime oasis. Lantern-lined garden paths guide you through the landscaped grounds, and the illuminated sky bridge softly glows, connecting the estate's wings with graceful elegance. Inside, the living room continues the theme of refined luxury. White walls provide a bright, airy canvas for navy blue accents, including plush cushions that adorn the spacious sectional sofa. Floor-to-ceiling windows framed with sheer white curtains invite abundant natural light, casting soft shadows across polished hardwood floors. The centerpiece is a white marble fireplace inlaid with blue tiles, surrounded by subtle gold decor that adds warmth and depth. Overhead, elegant chandeliers bathe the space in a welcoming glow, perfect for both intimate evenings and lively entertaining. The master bedroom offers a private sanctuary designed for comfort and style. A navy blue accent wall provides a dramatic backdrop to the king-sized bed, dressed in crisp white linens and enriched with soft blue velvet throw pillows. A tufted navy blue headboard adds texture and sophistication. White bedside tables topped with golden lamps frame the bed, while floor-to-ceiling windows with layered white and blue drapes allow gentle natural light to fill the room. Nearby, a cozy blue armchair invites moments of quiet reflection, complemented by a spacious walk-in closet featuring white cabinetry. The kitchen exemplifies modern elegance and functionality. Sleek white cabinetry contrasts beautifully with a navy blue island countertop that doubles as a breakfast bar. High-end stainless steel appliances gleam alongside white marble surfaces subtly veined with blue, providing a perfect workspace. Blue glass pendant lights hang gracefully above the island, casting a gentle glow over the open-plan layout that seamlessly connects to the dining area. The dining room mirrors the home's refined aesthetic with white walls accented by navy blue wainscoting. A large rectangular white table is surrounded by blue upholstered chairs, offering ample seating for guests. A crystal chandelier hangs overhead, its light sparkling across blue and white china displayed in built-in cabinets. Large windows dressed in flowing white and blue curtains fill the space with natural warmth during meals. The bathroom is a haven of relaxation, clad in white marble walls accented by navy blue mosaic tiles. A freestanding white bathtub invites soothing soaks, while a double vanity topped with blue-tinted mirrors and finished with gold fixtures combines style and practicality. Glass shower panels tinted with soft blue add a modern touch, and plush white towels embroidered with subtle blue details complete the spa-like ambiance. The home office balances professionalism and comfort. White paneled walls provide a crisp backdrop, highlighted by a navy blue accent wall behind a large white desk with gold hardware. A plush blue velvet swivel chair offers ergonomic support. Built-in white bookshelves display curated collections and tasteful blue decor. Large windows allow natural light to brighten the space, while recessed lighting ensures a warm and inviting atmosphere. The grand staircase is a masterpiece of design, featuring white marble steps cushioned by a plush navy blue carpet runner. Ornate white banisters trimmed with gold provide both safety and style. Large windows flood the stairwell with light, illuminating elegant blue and white vases artfully placed on the landings. A classic chandelier hangs gracefully from above, adding a final touch of luxury. The spacious garage complements the home's aesthetic with pristine white walls and navy blue accents. Polished concrete floors reflect bright overhead lights, and built-in storage cabinets with blue handles keep the space organized. This garage offers ample room for multiple luxury vehicles, accompanied by a sleek workbench for maintenance and detailing. Connecting two wings of the house, a modern sky bridge showcases white marble flooring and glass railings tinted in soft blue. Embedded LED lights trace the edges, casting a subtle glow during evening hours. This architectural feature not only enhances flow but also provides breathtaking views of the landscape gardens below. Outdoor living is perfected on the balcony, which offers comfortable white seating adorned with navy blue cushions. White railings accented with blue trim frame the space, complemented by potted plants in matching white and blue containers. From this serene vantage point, residents enjoy expansive views of the gardens and pool, ideal for quiet mornings or relaxing evenings. Thank you for joining us on this exclusive tour of an extraordinary American luxury home, where every detail reflects impeccable craftsmanship, timeless elegance, and modern comfort. Stay connected with million-dollar mansions for more breathtaking tours of the world's most luxurious estates.